Hello friends, I am Priyanka Agiwal from Holkar Science College in Computer Science Department. आज मैं ER डायग्राम पर अपना एक लेक्चर रिकॉर्ड कर रही हूँ. The ER model stands for an entity relationship model. It is a high-level data model. This model is used to define the data elements and relationship for a specified system. It develops a conceptual design for the database. It also develops a very simple and easy design view of data. The ER model consists mainly three components: entity, second one is attribute, and third one is relationship. First, entity. An entity is an object that exists and is distinguishable from other objects. Example: specific person, company, event, plant, etc. Entities have attributes. Attributes means property of any entity. For example, people have names and addresses. So, name and addresses have the properties of people. An entity set is a set of entities of the same type that share the same properties. Example: set of all persons, because all persons have name, all persons have their addresses, etc. Now, second one is attributes. An entity is represented by a set of attributes, that is descriptive properties possessed by all members of an entity set. For example, an entity instructor has the attributes ID, name, street, city, salary, etc. Same, course is an entity which has properties course ID, title, credits, etc. Now, what is domain? Domain is the set of permitted values for each attribute. Means one attribute can contain how many values. Now, attribute types. There are following attributes types. First one is simple and composite attributes. Second one is single valued and multi-valued attributes. And last one is derived attributes. Now, we explain these. First one is simple attribute. Attribute that consists of a single atomic values. Example: salary. Composite attribute. Attributes values not atomic. For example, address. A person have more than one address. Now, for example, composite attributes में हमने लिया name. Name which has first name, middle name, last name. Same, address. Address has street, city, state, postal code, etc. Same, we can also categorize street, street number, street name, apartment number, etc. Types of attributes. Continued. Single valued attribute. Single value attribute that holds a single value. Example: city. A person has a one city in one address. Second is multi-valued attribute. Attributes that hold multiple values. Example: a customer can have multiple phone numbers, email IDs, etc. Now, derived attributes. An attribute that's value is derived from a stored attribute. For example, age, and its value is derived from the stored attribute date of birth. Means we can conclude the age of any person by his or her date of birth. Now, entity set, instructors and student is an example to explain. Instructor has two attributes, and instructor is an entity that has two attributes, instructor ID and instructor name. Same, student is an entity which has student ID and student name as an attributes. Now, relationship sets. Relationship is an association among several entities. Example, instructor and student have two entities. In instructor, C 76766 and Creek has relationship with student 98988. Same, 45565 instructor ID has relationship with two students. ID is 12345 and 00128. Similarly, following table shows how relationship is maintained between two entities. Now, how can we represent entity, relationship and attributes in an ER model? First, representing entities. We represent an entity by a named rectangle. Use a singular noun or adjective plus noun. Refer to one instance in naming. For example, customer is an entity which is represented by rectangle. Similarly, part-time employee. Now, how can we represent relationship? Relationship is represented by a diamond shape. As can see, department and employee are two entities which is between these entities a relationship is maintained called employees. Now, ER diagram which shows the entities and relationships. For example, rectangle represents entity sets. Here instructor and students are entities. Diamond represent relationships. Advisor is the relationship. Attributes listed inside entity rectangle. For example, instructor has the attributes ID, name and salary, and these attributes are represented by the oval shape along with the rectangle. Underline indicates primary key attributes. Here ID in both instructor and student has primary key. Here, how can we represent attributes? Rectangle represent entity, ellipse represent attributes, double ellipse multi-valued attributes, dashed ellipse derived attributes. This is also how can we represent attributes in ER model. So, this is the basic information about ER diagram. What is entity, what is attribute and what is relationship and types of them. Thank you.